Hello everyone, how are you? I know you're doing great at home. I also know that you are bored, so am I. So I'm trying to learn some cooking from my mom. So today I'll be making jalebis. Stay tuned. Here are the ingredients required for jalebi. 1 cup of maida, 1 cup of sugar, 2 spoon of milk, 2 spoon of lemon juice, some kesher flavoring substance, and water. So I have made this batter using 1 cup of maida, 3/4 cup of water. I have mixed it properly and I have kept it to ferment for 5 to 6 hours. Now we will be making sugar syrup. We will add 1 cup of sugar. Now we will be adding 3/4 cup of water. We have to stir it properly till it gets a fine paste of sugar syrup. So we have to stir it properly. Till sugar gets completely dissolved in water. Now we will be adding lemon juice to this mixture. And 2 spoons of milk. Now we have to remove this layer. As we don't need this layer in sugar syrup. Now we will be adding some kesher to this sugar syrup. Also we will be adding flavoring substance. You have to mix it properly. For frying purpose I am using ghee here. I have placed ghee in pan, and you can use oil also in place of ghee. Meanwhile we have taken this bag and we will be pouring this batter in this plastic bag. Put rubber band to this bag or you can seal it. So we will be cutting the edge of this bag from where we can pour this batter in hot piping ghee. We need to pour this batter round and round. So I am trying for the first time. Let's see. Wow, much better. Let it fry. are perfectly fried, and we'll be putting this in sugar syrup which we have prepared earlier. Let sugar syrup soak. Now jalebi is ready to eat. Wow, this looks simply amazing. So here we are ready with jalebis. Let me try. It's so crispy. So you can try this at home. If you don't want to ferment for 5-6 hours, you want instant, so you can add some dahi or baking soda in the batter. So it will be immediately fermented, and remaining process is same.